You've got the small spill kits and the big spill kits. So these are your biohazard spill packs. We've got these, I think, 1 or 2 per guard's compartment. So the contents of this kit, I'll lay it all out on here for you. The absorption powder goes straight onto the sides. Every time we've used it so far, it's a vomit. It's been pretty effective. PPE, got an apron, got a pair of gloves. We've got a towel and of course a clinical waste bin. So now I'm going to gross this all out. Okay, so this is where someone's vomited. We're going to have to get used to it being gross. So there you are. So you've got your apron. So we're going to cover the site completely, leaving none uncovered. See, so it looks a bit excessive. We're going to get the whole area, the affected area, covered. There you are, it looks like it's all... And what's that done is made it go properly solid. Like that, you see. So then all your vomit, all your gross stuff here. And you don't have to get it all into one scoop, remember? So we've got a scoop full of vomit there. So this is going to be our carpet on the carriage. I'm just going to sort of dot it, get a couple of splashes. And then we've got our bring pack there. Everything. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you, Eddie. If you need to use the spill kit, I'll show you the contents of it. Simple tag, get your finger in there. There you see. Just got this. Got a spill kit here, so a bit of PPE, got nice big rubber gloves. If you've got a side, you know, quite a large spill, then you want to get around it if you feel it. We've got our oil spill here, tiny oil spill. Going to get our shovel, sorry Rog. Just a tiny spill. Like that. We'll give it a couple of minutes. And this stuff really does absorb. So that spills. Everyone happy? Yeah. Does anyone want to go, or are you all happy with that? No. Get your standpipe. These bars to start getting the threads to bite. And just keep pulling up to make sure it's biting. So it is, so I'm going to keep twisting. It fits in there like that. Pole then goes through here. Give it a bit of a twist. You'll hear it start to gurgle. There we are. You see there's just discoloration on the water. Let's get water on. Water off! Water off, water off. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice and flat. Make sure you're keeping that tension, and then you do that all the way to the end. Gloucestershire 7 and Gloucestershire 4, you are going to be dispatching together. It's up to you to decide where you would like to go. Gloucestershire 6, radio check please, over.
Gloucestershire 6,
Crosswalks 4, please can you advise of your position, over?
We're in David Page shed, over.
Yeah, that's all received, thank you. So what we're doing at the moment is an exercise trialling our new radio communication systems. We have sent one of our volunteers to go and hide, and then we've got 3 pairs of volunteers who are currently out trying to find the person, and we're using the radios to communicate between each other.
Well, 3 to Gloucestershire 1, over.
Receiving, Chris, go ahead.
We've searched the other side of the gate and up the drive, no sign, over.
That's all received, thank you, Chris. Have we had a look around the cabins, over? All mobiles, we have currently searched the drive, the narrow gauge railway.
Going to check toilet block on that area, over.
Yeah, that's all received, thank you. Crosswalks on all mobiles, accommodation pods and playground clear, over. All mobiles. Can we please rendezvous at the Honeybourne North Loop signal box to discuss logistics and coordinate the search next, over?
Has anybody been down the narrow gauge railway?
Or further down?
Only as far as the box here.
We'll wait till Mike and Eddie regroup with us. Crosswalks 1, Crosswalks 2, are you receiving, over? Cleared this area here.
What about behind that fence over there?
We've been past there, have we? Gloucestershire 5 and 6, I want you to take down the right hand side of the diesel shed. Gloucestershire 4 and 7, I want you to go to David Page, Gloucestershire, look around all the locos, make sure he's not there. Gloucestershire 1 receiving, go ahead, Gloucestershire 3.
Check the signal box and there's no sign of him here. I'm down the side of the signal box behind it, over. We're investigating a possible sighting heading off down the goods yard. We'll let you know what we find. GW2, over.
Yeah, thank you, Gloucestershire 6. I'm satisfied that we checked this area. Let's reconvene back at the signal box. 4 and 7, I want you to take the road to the gate up there. Gloucestershire 2 and 3, I want you to check in and around to Flag and Whistle.
North end of site behind the brick store or stone storage building on the old nursery site, over.
Gloucestershire 2, thank you. Gloucestershire 6 has found the casualty. He is behind the stone brick nursery building by our cabinet, over.
Look at the state of it!
What have you got all down yet? So the plan of action is to spread ourselves out across the line. So we're positioning ourselves at Broadway, Toddington, Hales, Abbey Holt and Winchcombe, and from there we're going to try and establish how far we can get the signal to go. Gloucestershire 4, fantastic. We've got quite clear communication between Hales Abbey and Toddington. Are you receiving me clearly, over? Gloucestershire 3, Gloucestershire 1, are you receiving, over?
Gloucestershire 3, Gloucestershire 1, loud, clear. Gloucestershire 3, Gloucestershire 1, over.
Go ahead, Gloucestershire 3. Gloucestershire 1 to Gloucestershire 4, are you receiving, over?
Gloucestershire 4 receiving, over.